Step into the 2001 GMC Yukon SLE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include air conditioning, sun-moon-roof, power mirrors, steering wheel controls, power windows, third-row seat, dual climate control, and rear wiper. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.